What is up, guys? Gaming Family here, and today we're gonna go try and find some phones. I got my stick. Let's go ahead and find some phones. Already. At the first find here. Yeah. No. Oh, look at that. Reddit. I don't know where I can find me some phones. Oh, wait a second. Look at that. Is that a Samsung motherboard? Oh wow, that's a Samsung. Trash. Why don't you look at that? That's a screen. Oh my gosh, it's a phone. It's an iPhone. It's an iPhone. Oh man. Okay. Let's see if this works. I have my replacement screen right here. I have the phone that I found. Let's go ahead and clean it a little bit. All right. It's so dirty. All right, good. Okay. Will it work? Works! Wow! It's 100% real, everybody. I found this in my backyard. No joke, no scam, no lies. It is so real. Look at this. It is starting up. How? I can't even speak. Oh my! It has a passcode. It works, everybody. Good to know. Totally do not know the passcode to this. Oh my, it unlocked by itself. Oh man. Wow, it works perfect in everything. Look at that. Even the home button works. Totally 100%. Okay. Well, yeah, it works. Yay, we found a phone in my backyard. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that skit video. It took me a heck of a long time to make it. Yeah, happy April Fools. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.